Hey, what's up YouTube? So I haven't posted up any Azure videos for quite some time. So I'm gonna basically leave off. I'm gonna start off where I left off. So one quick um, feedback on the videos I post up. So for example, today I'm gonna be showing you how to create a app service. Um, so I'm pretty sure I can create a long video which will show you how to create an app service, custom domain, adding the records to your registrar, or DNS provider or DNS provider. But I'd like to break up my videos into parts, and the reason why I break it up into parts is I don't know. For example, in my case, I don't like to watch. Well, scratch that. I think sitting and watching long videos, sometimes can be kind of tiring, and that's the reason why I break it off. So let's go ahead and get started. So log into your Azure account. On the left hand side, create app services. I'm going to create an app service. This app name has to be unique and not a name that's been used before, or else it's not going to take it. I'm going to create my resource group. I'm going to create it. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new one so I can show you the different locations and pricing tiers. So choose your location, common pricing tier. So here you can see the differences. Some have a custom domain and SSL. Things some have the auto scaling, yeah, and as you upgrade your pricing tier, then the scaling goes up. This is the less demanding workloads. Here, this is free, but it doesn't have the custom domain or SSL or auto scale. See this. This one is also very cost effective. Yeah, so basically you would choose what you need. For this purpose, I'm just gonna choose the second lowest tier, which is the D1. I'm gonna hit apply. So just keep in mind, this is just a video on how to create an app service. So I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna break it up into parts, where I'm only showing how to add a custom domain and adding the records. I may create another, or I may show you another video how to do the auto scaling. Okay, so the application insights basically is just a monitoring extension. So I'm gonna leave this as this. Go ahead and my app service plan. Continue. You see here, it took it. Go ahead and create it. I'm gonna pause the video and come back when this is done. Okay, so this got completed. Took around like 2 to 3 minutes. So refresh this, we should see the app service here. So it's running. Forgot what's my name for it. Click that. So basically this is how you create a web app in Azure. So like I said, I'm gonna basically break it up into videos. I just feel it's better like that. You don't sit through a long video. Just for learning experiences, that hasn't always worked out for me. It's kind of hard to sit through like a 30-40 minute video, so that's the reason why I'm break it off into smaller videos. So once you click in the app service, you can see here basically you have different options, and like I said, I'm gonna get into those as later on. So oh yeah, I do have the option of setting up a custom domain. So I'll get into this in a later video. All right, thanks for watching.